Hello Team Touch with Mercy. How have you guys been? What's poppin'? What's good? Today is my birthday and I came on here to show you guys how I'm going to make my birthday cake. Now it's not really a cake. So I'll call it like a birthday cake remix because it's literally made with wafers. There's no baking whatsoever. And I use wafers and buttercreams and some candies and cool toppings and some roses and all that stuff. Now there's a new trend on Instagram that kind of looks like this. And I decided like I'm gonna try that because I'm super creative and I'm always looking for ways to like expand my horizon and do different things. It's super easy to make, guys, but you can make it as big or small as you want. It's really quick, and especially for those of you that's not like really like, you know, kitchen friendly and you don't know how to bake so well, this would be perfect for you. I honestly say like it's for the moms that literally have to prepare a birthday every year and go and buy all these expensive cakes, and you know that can cost a lot of money. So this video is for you. So if you want to see how I created my birthday letter cake, you can keep watching. Alrighty, well that was it. I hope you guys totally enjoy this video. I did, as you see, line them up in advance and did all my measurements before I actually applied it. on the actual cake board. So thank you guys so much for watching. Happy 33rd birthday to me, and I will see you guys in my next video.